Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we just closed on, literally just came back from the closing. Just walked the property again with my contractor and my realtor. Just get our plan together because we're going to flip this one. The store on this one is the seller reached out to me. She'd owned a home for a long time. She bought it actually just before Hurricane Katrina. And she's moving now. She's ready to go. She's moving to California where her family's at. So she wanted to sell it. She called it, normally people want to sell really fast because we buy houses fast, but it was a little bit different with her because she was moving, because she was planning for to move. So we planned it about she wanted to close the specific date, December 1st today, right? She wanted to close on December 1st, and that was maybe about 7-8 weeks ago. So we did it all, we put it under contract, we got ready, we'll close on the first. So, we do close fast. But if you don't want to close fast, if you want to close slow, you have a date that you actually want to close on, we'll make that happen. So she literally cleared out the house as best she could. There's still some stuff here. She had a car parked in the front. I actually drove her to the closing because she just didn't want to drive that much. Drove her back. The car's packed with the last stuff, and she's gone. 1st December, and now she's going to go to California, etc. So we're really easy. We listen to what you need, and we try to do a solution where we give you what you need. We make an easy sale, painless, pay you a fair price, and we'll be really easy to work with. And, for us, we get a good project to work on. So, this one is not in too bad a condition. If you look at some of the houses I often buy, there was damage from Hurricane Ida, so we just came through on the ceiling. So I got to obviously replace that. It's just not too bad. I'm actually going to have to update this a bit because we are going to flip it. If it was a rental, I probably would just keep that. But, we're going to update it. She got to leave she didn't have to clean the stuff. When you sold us, you don't need to clean all your stuff out. So she left behind what she didn't want to take. And the rest is ours to deal with. There's a little bit of termite damage. It's hard to see these little pin holes. A bit of termite damage, so... but not a bad, if you see the properties we flipped, this one's not too bad. So, we were able to work with the seller, give her what she wanted, close on the date she wanted, pay her a fair price. We turned up, we closed, now we're going to start our flip. So if you're looking to sell a house in Louisiana, give us a call. We're happy to discuss your situation, see if we can help you out. We're always friendly and helpful. We don't need to buy every house, so there's no pressure to sell your house to us. We don't need to buy any one house. If someone that calls, we're looking just to speak and help and give advice, and if we're a good option to buy, then we'll buy it. And if we're not, we'll tell you that and we'll give you advice on what you probably should do. So thanks guys, check out our website homebuyerlouisiana.com for more information about us. Thank you.